Hey guys, welcome back to My Cupcake Addiction. You guys have been asking me for another cooking with squish videos for quite a while now, and today I'm in the kitchen with both Ollie and Jacob, and we're going to take some new baking technology for a spin while also sorting out our school holiday favours for this year. This holiday season, I've teamed up with Rice Krispies Treats and the Google Assistant to share with you guys an awesome interactive holiday decorating experience that essentially does most of the work for you. So Ollie's school has a pretty strict no candy policy, so we thought that we'd hand make some Rice Krispies Treats Santas to go with Ollie's handwritten holiday cards for the holiday season. Before we get started, I've done a little of the pre-prep on some of the adult jobs so the kids can just focus on having fun and I can kind of let them. I've got my Rice Krispies Treats unwrapped on some parchment paper. I've melted the white chocolate in the microwave and I've pre-cut some of those mini marshmallows in half. All right, Ollie, so now we're prepped. Can you say begin the story to get started?
Begin the story.
Ho, 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 ho. Kids, it's me, Santa Claus. You've got to help me. It's almost Christmas, and Nutmeg the Elf thinks she's hilarious. The little peppermint prankster has perpetrated a practical prank on me. Say, yes, Santa, if you think you can help me.
Yes, Santa!
Oh, good. I've got a first clue that should help us get started. Nutmeg left this note, all tied up like a gift. Oh, suffering snowballs. This little elf has hidden all of my gear. Do you think we should go try to find it?
So if you guys want to follow this experience at home, you can either ask your Google Home to connect to Krispie Kitchen, or you can download the Google Assistant app on your device and you can follow the whole experience there. Okay kids, are you ready to get your instructions from Santa himself?
Yeah!
Now, let me show you how to make your own Rice Krispies Treat Santa hat. To create Santa's hat on your Rice Krispies Treats, make sure you have your white frosting or melted white chocolate, red sanding sugar in a bowl, and a marshmallow. Have you got all that?
Yes, Santa!
Great! Now, spread white frosting, or if you're using melted white chocolate, dip it in that. Go! Ready to move on?
Yes,
Santa!
Now, sprinkle red sanding sugar onto the frosting or chocolate, being sure to leave a white stripe at the bottom as the trim of the hat. Did you finish?
Yes, Santa!
Time for the finishing touch. Add a marshmallow as the bobble at the top. Try that now. Have you finished?
Yes, Santa!
Let's bring back my bodacious beard. First, spread white frosting on the bottom third of your Rice Krispies Treats. Or, if you are using melted white chocolate, dip it in that. I'll give you some time with a seasonal song. Add white sprinkles on top of the frosting or chocolate to make your beard. Have you done that?
Yes, Santa!
To make my eyes and nose on your Rice Krispies Treats, first, dab some white frosting on the back of your candy eyes and stick them just below the hat. Dab the round red candy with white frosting so you stick it on as Santa's nose. Go! Have you finished?
Yes, Santa!
So what do you think, guys? Was that an awesome experience?
Yes.
There are 3 of these experiences in total. There's Santa's Hunt, which is this one that we've done today, Deck the Trees, and Reindeer Games. Do you want to try another experience?
Yeah! But can we eat them first?
Yeah, go on, my little elves. What about me? Is there one for me?
Yeah. Always.
All right.
Addiction. I'm hungry.
Me too.